Today we're gonna make the most amazing pasta. That's right, you know, I always say simple is good. So we're gonna make my favorite pasta, Bucatini pasta with Romano cheese, Parmesan cheese, Grana Padano, and then we're gonna top it off with some tomatoes and of course some shrimp, olive oil, and some garlic. What I like about this recipe the most is that it's so simple to make, yet it is so delicious with the combination of the three cheeses, the shrimp, that garlicky flavor. It's just whew. The first thing you want to do is you want to start cooking your pasta. 8-9 minutes, pasta is done. I'm using Bucatini pasta, which is like a straw pasta. So you can use spaghetti, penne, whatever you want to use. I'm using Bucatini because it's a nice little thicker pasta and lets you appreciate that pasta flavor. Then the next step is we're gonna get a hot pan and we're gonna throw in some olive oil. My favorite part about this dish is that it takes no more than 15 minutes to cook. Think about it. You have an amazing pasta dish in less than 15 minutes. How better does it get? How better does it get? Okay, so the first thing we want to do is we want to add our tomatoes. The second thing we want to do in medium heat is add our garlic. Some garlic. Garlic is like roses to a lady. I mean, it's just delicious. Okay, so we have tomatoes, we have our garlic. Then we're gonna let it cook slowly. So remember, we're not using any spaghetti sauce, no Alfredo sauce. You could throw those things, but that's not what we're going for today. So the base of our sauce is the olive oil. So we want to have a good amount of olive oil. Don't be scared to add some olive oil in there. It's part of the recipe. So slowly, we're gonna cook this. The idea is that these tomatoes turn translucent, that they cook down, that they're soft. You have the nice acidity of the tomato that's gonna complement the saltiness of the cheeses. So we're gonna slowly turn this around. We're gonna let this cook slowly. Keyword is slowly. Then we're gonna add some black pepper. We're gonna add some salt. Our pasta is cooking. I like my pasta al dente, to the tooth. Some people like it super soft, that's good. Some people like it a little strong, a little to the bite, whatever you want. I like mine al dente, which is a good 8-9 minutes. You don't put olive oil in the water. Big no-no. Olive oil police in water is gonna go for you if you do that. You put a little bit of salt, bring it up to a boil, throw in your pasta, no breaking the pasta, pasta whole, cook it 8-9 minutes, pasta done, pasta in pan. Okay, so once we have that, we're gonna go ahead and add our shrimp. We have these nice shrimp right here. Everyone knows how I feel about shrimp. Shrimp is delicious. Okay, so we're gonna go and we're gonna throw that shrimp in there. A little salt, a little black pepper on that shrimp. Okay, so now our pasta is ready. We're gonna drain it, our Bucatini pasta, and we're gonna add it in here. Right, like that. And then we're gonna toss it. Look at those beautiful colors right there. Wow! Take it out of the pan. We've transferred it over. And this is my favorite part. We're gonna add the cheese. So, I add a mountain of Parmesan cheese. I add a mountain of Romano cheese. And I add some freshly grated Grana Padano. Hey! Smells amazing. Okay, so once you have that, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna give it a nice toss. Look at that. Oh my God, this is my favorite right here. Okay, and right here, we're ready to start plating. We bring it over, and I like doing a nice little mountain right in the middle. Like that, I let it fall naturally. Some tomatoes all over. And now that my Bucatini dish is done, I'm gonna try it. But before we try it, we have to come over here and we have to add some more cheese. Very important. We're gonna add some more Parmesan cheese. We're gonna add some more Romano. And we're gonna add some Grana Padano. Wow. Let's play a game. Say Grana Padano 5 times. Grana Padano, Grana Padano, Grana Padano, Grana Madonna, Grana Padano, Grana Padana. Whatever it is, just add some more of it. And like that. And it's ready. So let's try this. I got my fork right here. Let's try this right here. So I got some of that Bucatini, some of that tomato, a little piece of shrimp. a little piece of shrimp, some tomato. Look at that. You can add so many things to this dish, but like this, just how we cooked it. With our pasta, with our olive oil, with our garlic, with our salt, with our pepper, with our shrimp, with our 3 cheeses. Just how it is, simplicity, delicious. Hey, I hope you like, I hope you comment, I hope you subscribe wherever it is down there. I think it's there, somewhere there. I hope you subscribe, and I hope you share this. You know why? Because food is the one thing that we all share, so let's share it together.